How to buy stuff on Temu without a credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can purchase products from Temu without a credit card. So let's get into it. So here you can see I'm on the Temu website, and what you want to do, click on the link in the description below. It'll take you to the website. Along with the link, you'll find some discount codes and promo codes that you can apply and save a bunch of money. And once you're over here, you should be good to go. Then scroll down or just simply click on the search button and search for the product you like. Currently I'm in the Algerian version, so let's say I want this screwdriver set, right? It's a 25 in 1 mini screwdriver set, and I want this. So then I just simply open it up, select the version I want. It's only one version, so that's why I can just simply go ahead and click on add to cart. Once it's added, I can click on go to cart, and I think I can click on checkout. I think we do need a minimum of 10 euros. Currently it's already applied a discount, a pretty big discount, and given me only 3. So I gotta go ahead and add some more products to the cart. So what I'll do is I'll click on checkout, and then I'll just select this other set as well. Click on add to cart. Now, oh, still low. We need one more. I'll add this toy car as well. Why not? Give this one to little Timmy. Click on add it. Click on continue to checkout. Now, once we're over here, you can apply the coupon code, which you can find in the description below. Save money. You can see I already got a pretty big discount. So, which is pretty cool. Then here we have the payment methods. Here, these are the cards, these are the Google Pay, and this is the Apple Pay. Now, depending upon where your region is, you can have multiple different options, right? And whenever you buy, they also give you some credits, right? The Temu credits, which you can also apply and get a discount or just buy entirely from that. So here you got a bunch of different other options. Select the one you like, Apple Pay, Cash, or Google Pay, and then just simply hit the submit order. Add your information to that particular payment method, and you're good to go. It's as simple as that. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.